Hi everybody, this is a tutorial on how to upload your written assignment to the OWL for review. And then once the OWL reviews your paper, they will make the suggested changes and email it back to you. When you receive that email back from the OWL, please forward that email to me so that I have the changes that they recommended to you and I can see that you incorporated them into your written assignment. Alright, so when you log into Blackboard and you go to the home page, which would be right there, and then you scroll down to My Organizations, and everybody should have Kaiser Wright's Online Writing Lab 19WA. So click on that. That'll take you to the OWL page. You can go with Start Here. You can enter into the question room and ask questions of the OWL. Submit your paper to SafeAssign to see if it says you're taking anything that is being plagiarized, so that you don't get accused of plagiarizing. And APA help. But so you want to submit your rough draft or your outline to the OWL to be reviewed and get their suggestions. You hit Submit Paper, and the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click on OWL Submission Form, because you're going to have to complete that and save it, and then include that with your paper on the submission. So what that looks like, it'll download to your computer. And what that looks like is this. You have your name, your email, your home campus, course title and number, the instructor's name, the assignment due date, the assignment instructions. So you can actually just copy and paste those from the instructions if you like on Blackboard. And then it asks if English is your first language. What in your opinion are your writing strengths? What in your opinion are your writing weaknesses? Be honest with them, because that's what they'll use to help you when they make their suggestions. What are your goals for this particular assignment other than earning a high grade? Is there anything specific that you would like them to help with? And you tell them that. So then you save this to your computer. So I will just do a really quick. And you have to, if it says enable editing, make sure you hit that so you can fill it in and save it. I'm typing blah blah blah. You should not. You should tell them exactly what they need to know. So anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and save that to my computer. Just remember where you save your written paper, as well as your OWL submission form. And you name it whatever you want. You can put your last name, space, and just like OWL submission, whatever you want to name it, so you remember and you remember where you saved it. So now I've saved that to my computer. Alright, and I have my written paper ready to go. So now I want to submit. So I'm going to go up here to the OWL submissions, click on that. Now I'm going to browse my computer. And the first thing I want to do is go to where I saved my OWL submission. There it is. Okay, and then I'm going to also attach my paper. So I'm going to find a paper that I can use. So I've got a Word document here. I'm just going to attach that. So you can see right here that you've attached the OWL submission form. You've also attached your paper, and now you're ready to make any comments that you would like to make, and then hit submit. And when you hit submit, it will submit it to the OWL. You'll receive an email with a confirmation number saying that they have received it. If you don't get that, that means they did not receive it, so you may need to submit it again or contact them. And then, like I said, once they get it, they'll review it. They'll send an email back to you with attachments of your submission form and your paper with suggested changes. Make sure that you incorporate those changes, and then when you get that email, you forward it to me so that I can put it in your file, and I know that you submitted it to the OWL. Now, our week 1 writing assignment, you should start working on that immediately and submit it to the OWL by the end of week 1. So that they can review it, you can make your changes, and then you submit the week 1 written assignment in week 2. I hope this is helpful for everybody, and if not, please give me a call so I can answer any questions or concerns that you might have. Thanks.